Hey guys, it's me Bella, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can make paper squishies. So let's get started. For this craft you will need color pencils, you will need a pencil, you'll need a piece of paper, you'll need scissors, you'll need some tape, and you will also need pillow stuffing or cotton balls. The paper squishy we will be making today is a cookie. So first grab your pencil and make a circle halfway. Then make some bite marks. Those marks are not too good, but just gotta keep trying. Next, you will draw a little face, if you want to. Next, you will draw some chocolate chips all around the circle. Now you will color it in. Color in the eyes.
You OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN.
Now you are going to fold the piece of paper in half. Now you are going to cut around it.
Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in that.
Now that you have the next part, you will cut the line that's attaching them. When you're done doing that, now you can color the back of the cookie. If you don't want to do that, that's fine.
Open up. Need to deep breathe.
Now you will put tape all over all over the cookie and all over the back of the cookie. Make sure if there's any excess that you use your scissors and cut around it.
Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends.
Now that you've put the tape on both sides, now will connect the squishies together like this, and then you will put tape at the bottom on the sides, and then you will leave the top open so you can put the stuffing in.
Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN.
Now that you have put tape on the bottom and the sides, now you put your pillow stuffing or cotton balls through the top of the cookie. Now you will need to get the tape. Now you will need to get the tape again and put it on the top. Then your paper squishy will be ready to go. There you have it. There's your paper squishy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!